In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record income in QuickBooks. We'll move through the process smoothly and keep everything clear, so by the end, you'll be confident entering income the right way. We're going to start at the very top of your QuickBooks screen, where the toolbar lives. Using this toolbar is the fastest route for what we need. In the search field, type the word deposit. When the results appear, look for the option that says Jump to, Create Bank Deposit, and click it. This takes you straight to the bank deposit form, which is exactly where income gets recorded when money is headed into a bank account. At the top of the form, choose the bank account that will receive the money. Picking the correct account is important because it determines where the deposit will land on your balance sheet and what will show up in your reconciliation later. Next, set the date of the deposit. Use the actual deposit date that matches what you expect to see on your bank statement to keep your books aligned. Now focus on the section labeled Add Funds to this deposit. This is where you tell QuickBooks the details of the income. In the Received From field, choose who or where the money came from, such as a customer or another source. In the Account field, choose the correct income account, like sales or services, so revenue reports are accurate. Use the Description field to add a short, clear note about what this income was for. Keep it professional and do not include any sensitive personal information. Select the payment method to reflect how the money arrived, such as cash, check, or card. If you have a reference number, like a check number or a deposit confirmation, enter it in the ref number field to make future lookups easier. Finally, enter the amount. If you have multiple income items in the same bank deposit, add each line separately so the total matches the deposit you'll see at the bank. You can also add a memo for internal context, like a project name or brief explanation, which helps anyone reviewing your books understand the deposit. If you have supporting documentation, such as a receipt or a signed agreement, attach it here as proof. Make sure attachments are clear and legible. When everything looks correct, click Save and New. This saves the deposit you just entered and opens a fresh deposit form so you can continue recording additional income without losing your place. That's it. By using the toolbar search, jumping into Create Bank Deposit, carefully completing the Add Funds to this deposit section, and saving your work, you'll keep your income organized and your reports accurate.